This first sequence shows President Eric Granberg setting up the G1080 9-foot and the G1085 5-foot easy rails on a 14-foot cedar log. As you can see here, the 9-foot and 5-foot sections connect easily, being fastened by only 2 bolts on each rail. The connector bracket should be adjusted either up or down the rails, depending on the shape of the log. Once you have adjusted the connector brackets, flip the rails back over. They are now ready to be attached. Place a level across the rails and adjust the set screws until the bracket flattens the rails. This process should be repeated on each cross bracket down the length of the rails until the whole system is completely leveled out. The easy rails attach with a single dog, shown here. This is the fastest and easiest method of making your first cut perfect. Depending on what size lumber you're going to make, measure and mark the first cut line appropriately. Adjusting the cutting depth on the mill is accomplished quickly and easily by raising the handle and rail set to the appropriate depth on the graduated posts. The handle and rail set seen here is fastened to the posts at the 8-inch mark with the 702 long nuts. Boots, chaps, gloves, ear protection, a dust mask, and a helmet are a must when using a chainsaw or an Alaskan chainsaw mill. We are now ready to start milling. As seen here, the mill is rotated so that the nose enters last to achieve a smooth entry into the cut. It's important to remember to place wedges in the cut so that the wood does not pinch the blade. It's also important to remember to let the saw do the work and not to press too hard. The smoother you are, the smoother your cut will be. And now we see a perfect 14-foot first cut.